Hi, welcome to my channel Golf Out of Box. I'm your coach Gagandeep Gotra. In this session, we're going to talk about 9 o'clock, so moving one step ahead of 7 o'clock. And we're also going to learn about the basics of putting, about how to hold, grip, set up to stroke. And I'm going to give you some drills where you can improve your putting. At the end of the video, I'm going to give you some drills and also give you a practice plan for the week. So stay tuned till the end of the video and have fun. From 7 o'clock, let's move to 9 o'clock. Chest high, arm parallel position to chest high, arm parallel position. So what do we want to see in so you, as you continue from 7 o'clock, so you can see the 7 o'clock position was here when your arm reaches that position. So you have to continue with the body turn and stop around chest high. So there you go. So you continue with the 7 o'clock, you continue, stop around here. You can see how open my shoulders are. So you have to turn as much as shoulders as possible. Try to take your left shoulder as closer as possible to the ball in this position. So you are turning, stop around this position here. So you can see at this position, what do we want to see? We have to make a letter L from the club and your left arm. There you go. So you can see that, turn, my left arm is making a letter L with the club. From here, you have to, as shifting, you have to hit down on the ball, go through and turn and stop at around chest high position with again the letter L. Showing you from the front, how does it look? So 9 o'clock, going down on the ball, going through, and 9 o'clock. So you can see that I'm making a letter L again. Yes, the stopping at the chest high position. If I show you from the back, how does it look? So you can see as I'm going through with the 9 o'clock position, my right arm is bending. So you can see my right arm bends where my elbow is pointing down. So if I have to show you from the back, what do we want to see? There. So you can see my chest more open now, and you can see my elbow has started folding inside and closer to the body. It doesn't go away from the body. So do this position. So this is basically pretty much half swing. So do this drill. Let's see how does it goes. For now, let's move on to putting. Let's start off with the basics of putting. For the beginning, let's go with the grip again. So now you can see in hitting, we were keeping it more in fingers. The idea was the more it stays in finger, the more movement you have of the club. Now we need less movement, but we need more control. Now we need the club to stay more in palm. So you can see it's much slant in my palm. Wrap your fingers, wrap your palm, thumb on the top. Now similarly with the right hand, slant in your palm closer to each other, wrap up your fingers, wrap up your palm, and you can see now the index finger of my left hand is going on to the top of the right fingers. There you go. Grip pressure again is about medium. You don't hold it too tight, you don't hold it too loose. And let's go to the setup of putting. So let's start with the setup. First with the posture. So what do we want to see? From the side is basically you bend from the upper back. So you can see my shoulders are still forward, and the whole idea is I want my head to stay on the top of the ball without losing balance. So you can see my eyes are on the top of the ball. By doing that, you can see my back is slightly curved and my knees has to be slightly flexed. It has to stay slightly flexed. When you take a setup, your arms stay slightly closer to you, so they're not straight, they are bent towards you, and the sole is lying flat on the ground. So if you see like that, the sole of the putter is lying flat on the ground. You have to bend from the back, head and eyes directly over the ball, slightly knee flex, weight balanced, and there you go. Let's looking it from the front. What do we want to see? So from stance, we need the feet to stay within the shoulder width. So you can see my stance is about shoulder width. Looking at the ball position, if I keep this putter as the center line, you can see the ball is slightly forward of center. So we need the ball to stay a little forward of center. Again, take a posture, take a setup, address it in the middle of the putter. And now when you take the grip from the hand position, we don't want the hands to go ahead now. Leave it around up front. There you go. And you are in a perfect position to take a stroke. And let's talk about putting stroke. So when we talk about putting stroke, the maximum people I've seen who start putting, they start using their wrist. In putting, we want the bigger muscle to control the stroke speed. So by say that, you know that we don't want to use the wrist. We want to use more of our shoulders. So you can see my head is stable, my knees is stable, my knees are not moving, my head is stable, and I'm moving more of my shoulder as I make a stroke. So from here, if I make a stroke, you can see I'm not doing this. I'm using my shoulder turn to take a stroke. So you have to use your shoulders without using your wrist. The best drill you can do for this is, if I show you from here, you can join your hands together, fingers pointing down, get into the same position as golf position. Now we don't want to see this movement, so you have to lock this movement. Make sure that your head is stable, your knees are not moving, and now just go back and through without moving your head and your knees. So you can see I'm using more of my shoulders here, pretty much the upper shoulders. You don't want to move your hips with this, you don't want to move your knees, just move your upper shoulders like this. So you can also, to feel it, you can place your hands on top of your shoulders and just move without turning hips. So if you can do this, so this will be the movement of a stroke. So you have to make sure that you use your shoulders. And in putting stroke, we want, this is my ball. In the stroke, the distance it covers at the backswing, it'll go the same in the front as well. So you go same back and same through. And in most of the conditions, just avoid jerking the putt. So we have seen when they come to the ball, they start slow and then they jerk to the ball to cover up the distance. So make sure the stroke is smooth. You're using your shoulders, keeping your wrist stable. Will give you a very good sensation and control on putting. And let's go to some drills how you can improve your putting. So for the beginning, I'm going to give you a basic drill to improve your putting. So you have to use two clubs like that. So you can place one of the club on the top like there. So if you have a hole here this side, so if I show you from this side, if imagine you have a hole here around there, use two clubs, put it parallel to each other, aiming towards the hole, leave it about a room. So whatever the putter width is, leave one ball each side room within the putter there. So you can see that I have one ball room over here and one room ball over here. And now what do we want to see? Just do again the same. Make sure that you move your putter within the same track. You don't want to go anywhere around, so you'll keep your putter within that track. There you go. Follow the same steps that you use most of your shoulders without using your wrist. Your head is falling within this station. And now just go back and through and try to stop the ball within that, with around the hole. So make sure that you follow this, hit about couple of balls. Let's see how do you improve your stroke on your putting. Moving on to practice plan of the week, what do I want to see is that you go at least again 3 times in the range, hit about 50 balls each time. Now this time you have to hit 20 balls with a 7 o'clock position and then 30 balls with a 9 o'clock position. So 20 balls you're going to use pitching wedge, and for the 30 balls you're going to use 8 iron. And when you go to putting, I want you to spend at least 15 minutes on the putting green. Use the same method, use the two clubs, put it again parallel towards the target, where about 3 yards away from the hole. and now hit a couple of putts, take a small break, hit a couple of putts and take a small break, and spend about 15 minutes just understanding the stroke, understanding how you have to use your body and how you have to make your stroke. So in the next session, I'm going to talk about basics of bunker and chipping. And in meanwhile, we're going to talk about the ball positions of different clubs. So if you want the notifications of my next video, don't forget to press on the bell icon. If you like the video and you want to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel Golf Out of Box. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.